Hey everyone, hope all are doing well. Today I will be making a potato and green bell pepper recipe. I'm growing bell peppers in a container, so thought of sharing a super yummy recipe using those. Just wanted you to catch a glimpse of whatever little I'm growing. I grow everything in containers because that is how it works for me. I have grown just 2 tomato plants and they are producing a lot of fruits. I got this cherry tomato plant from Costco and it looks pretty happy. Then here is okra. I get to pick 2 to 3 okras daily. You must have seen this chili in my videos. It has zero heat in them, but I like its fresh flavor when added to any curry. Now these chilies, they're extremely hot and only 2 plants are producing tons and tons of chilies. I usually freeze them for winter. These are poblano peppers. I just love growing different types of peppers. Growing peppers in containers is very easy and rewarding. Then these are Italian sweet peppers. And here is my beloved curry plant. This was given by one of my neighbors. It was just 4 inches in length when she gave it to me last year. Lata Didi, if you happen to be watching this video, thank you very much for this curry leaf plant. Okay, back to my kitchen. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil over medium-high heat. Once the oil turns hot, in goes Mr. Potato. I rinse potatoes after chopping them to get rid of the surface starch. Then I pat them dry with a kitchen towel before adding to the pan. Lay them out in a single layer. Sprinkle about 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and let them get fried on medium to high heat for 3 to 4 minutes or until you see them turn golden brown. Once you see that side getting this color, flip each one of them. You want them to be cooked about 90%. Fry this side on medium heat. This tomato is also from my container garden. I like to make a smooth paste. Okay, back to Mr. Potato. It has browned up satisfactorily on this side as well, and it has become almost soft. Take them out onto a bowl. There is still some oil left in the pan, but it needs another tablespoon more. A teaspoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera, goes in. Stir on low heat, making sure that they don't burn. But you need to fry them on low heat to make them fragrant. I like adding half a teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing, which gives a nice flavor. If it is unavailable at your place, you can add 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Chopped onions go in. Add 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. That helps the onions to soften down. And my friends, you will definitely like hearing this. You do not need to brown onions for this recipe. Yoo-hoo! That makes me really very happy because who doesn't like a quick recipe? When the onions look bit pale, add a teaspoon of finely chopped ginger and green chilies, which I break into half and add it. Fry on medium-low heat for a few seconds and then the pureed tomato tumbles down. Now I like to spice up this dish with a teaspoon of curry powder. Fry the tomato on medium heat till it starts to dry up. See how the tomato has dried up and the oil is leaving the sides? When you see that, add the fried potatoes and sliced bell peppers. I am using a combination of red and green bell peppers. You can use only green or a combination of different colors. Add a teaspoon of salt and stir everything on medium-high heat. I also like adding about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next, add about a little less than a teaspoon of kasoori methi, that is dried fenugreek leaves. Do not worry if it is unavailable at your place, because the dish will still turn out to be very delicious. You can add some dried thyme, though it is not a substitute for kasoori methi at all, but thyme gives a beautiful flavor as well. Then I added 4 tablespoons of water to my blender jar to get all the tomato goodness till the last drop, and added it. Do not add too much water because you do not want Mr. Potato to turn into Mr. Mashed Up Potatoes. Nor do you want the bell peppers to turn all mushy-dushy. They should hold on to their shape and color with a little bit of crunch in them. I added 2 more tablespoons of water, lid on, medium-low heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, lift off. The potatoes have become soft. The bell peppers have become tender but still have a little bit of crunch on them. I like adding half a teaspoon of amchur powder, that is dried raw mango powder. You will get it at any Indian grocery store or you may get it online. It has this tangy flavor, but you can also add lemon juice or maybe a little bit of chaat masala powder. Then a good amount of chopped coriander or any fresh herb of your choice, and this is all ready to land onto a serving bowl. Serve this with rice or roti or alongside a roasted chicken, or you can also make a wrap. It goes well with anything. It stays good in the refrigerator for a few days, and you can even take it in your lunchbox. Please click on the like button if you've enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.